Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel, Anis Sir's Technology. So basically, this is the continuation series of Boolean. In this lecture, we are going to discuss a very important concept, laws of the Boolean algebra. What are the laws and where we use these laws? Basically, these laws are used to simplify, for the simplifications of the Boolean expression. If you want to simplify any Boolean expression, then we require some law. Okay, that law we are going to discuss. Just a moment. Okay, fine. So the major highlights of this lecture will be to discuss all the different kinds of laws. One second. I have already created a list. So let's get started. So they are used to simplify the Boolean expression, Boolean law. So the first law is property of 0 and the second law is property of 1. So before entering into the actual topic, I just want to discuss some basic things. Then the entire lecture will be very easy. Okay. Just a moment. One second. Okay, fine. So okay, here I will explain. So first of all, in the Boolean, there are basically two things, either 0 or 1. The whole Boolean is depends upon the two numbers, that is 0 or 1. 0 means there is no current supply. If we're talking about the electrical point of view, 1 means there is electrical supply. Okay, so Boolean basically deals with the binary data 0 or 1. Understand? So suppose a single variable, A is a single variable. So how many combinations of a single variable? So the formula is very simple, 0 or 1. Two numbers we can consider in a Boolean. सिर्फ दो number हम consider कर सकते हैं Boolean में. So according to this, the formula is framed 2. And how many variables are there? 1. So 2 to the power 1 will be 2. So a single variable can contain the two values, either 0 or 1. Understand? Similarly, suppose we have the two variable like A or B. So according to the formula, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. There will be 4 combinations A, B. I am discussing nothing but just a table. Okay. So here will be 2, 0, 2, 1, and 0, 1, 0, 1. All right. Okay. I have uploaded one video related to the truth table or logic gate. If you will go through with that video, so you will be better understand. Okay. So no problem. Okay. So now the next, when we add 0 plus 0, then what output will receive? अगर हम 0 को 0 से add करते हैं, then definitely simple mathematical concept, I will get 0. Just a moment. We will get 0. Understand? Suppose I will calculate 0 into 1. Anything multiplied by the 0, you will get 0. Okay, no problem. Okay, suppose I am multiplying 1 into 1. So according to the mathematical concept, 1 into 1 will be 1. No problem. Up to this, everything is normal. I want to consider one more case, 1 plus 1. In the Boolean, we cannot take 2. So 1 plus 1 will be 1 in the Boolean. Understand? You have to understand these small steps to understand this topic. So first one is property of 0. Okay. Each and every rule is divided into two categories. One rule is with the plus sign and the same rule with the dot sign. Dot means multiply sign. So just a moment. I'm just clearing. Okay. So my first, I'm just copying this, my first law, and I'm going to demonstrate. One second. I'm just pasting over here. 1 minute. Okay. So this is the property of 1 I'm going to discuss. So property of 0 I'm going to discuss. So what is the property of 0? 1 minute. Okay, suppose anything added with the 0, a plus 0, okay, or anything multiplying with the 0. According to the property of 0, anything added with the 0 will provide that thing. And anything multiplied with the 0 will provide the 0. This is basically the rule. Understand? So a plus 0 will become a. जिसको हम 0 के साथ ऐड कर रहे हैं, it may be of any variable a, b, c, d, x, y, any. Okay, that variable will receive as an output if that variable I am adding with the 0. अगर हम किसी वेरिएबल को 0 के साथ ऐड कर रहे हैं तो वही वेरिएबल हमें आउटपुट में मिलेगा. लेकिन अगर हम किसी वेरिएबल को 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाइंग कर रहे हैं, सपोज वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग with the 0, then definitely we will get 0, because anything multiplied by the 0 you will get 0. Okay, now I will check. This is basically the property of 0, but we have to prove each and every. So if I am just checking this law, a plus 0, so a plus 0 means, 1 minute, what the maximum value we can take as a is a single variable, and you know that the single variable can contain only the two values, either 0 or 1. So first I will put the 0. Okay, my rule is, 1 minute, a plus 0 is equal to a. All right, so first of all I am putting the value of a as 0. No problem. So 0 plus 0, I have taken a as 0. Understand? So 0 plus 0 is equal to, of course, 0 I am getting. So whatever the value I am taking, suppose I have taken the a as 0 and I am getting 0 in an output. Understand? Now I am taking the another value 1. So here I am just placing 1 and adding with the 0. Now you can see that the 1 plus 0 is 1. So this time I have taken the value of a as 1 and I am getting the output 1. जो values हम a में ले रहे हैं वही हमको output मिल रहा है. So means it is confirmed a plus 0 is equal to a. Whatever the value I will take, that will be received as a output. Similarly, now check. A dot 0 is equal to 0. 1 second. I'm just erasing this part. Now a. So what value I can take? Single variable can contain the two values. So first of all, the value of a I'm taking 0. So 0 dot 0 is equal to 0. Correct. The first law is proved. The first phase is proved. Now I'm taking the value of a as 1. Okay. 1 and dot. Here the confirmed 0, static 0, and 1 dot 0 is 0. So in the case of multiplying, we can take any value of a, but after multiplying with the 0, definitely we will get the 0. Now this law is proved. Okay, so property of 0 is proved. Now what about the property of 1? 1 second. I'm just erasing this part. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so the next law is property of 1. Okay, it is very much similar to the property of 0. Okay, property of 1. So according to the property of 1, anything added with the 1 or anything multiplying with the 1. 1 second. Okay. A plus 1 is equal to, a plus 1 is equal to 1. And a dot 1 is equal to a. Okay, we have to prove this. Okay, so this is 1. This is second law of property of 1. One law with the plus sign, one law with the dot sign. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, one by one we will see both the loops, both the phases. So first of all, I'm taking a plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, there are so many ways to prove by the truth table we can prove, by taking the values of 0 and 1 we can prove, by making the gates we can prove. Okay, so first of all, a is a single variable, and the single variables having the two values, we can take either 0 or we can take either 1. So first of all, I am taking the value 1. So 1 plus 1 according to the truth table addition, or according to the 1 plus 1 addition in the Boolean, you will get definitely 1. Okay, for the 1, if I am taking 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Understand? Okay, now I am taking the value of a is 0. So 0 plus 1, again you will get 1. So whatever the value of a I am taking, the output will always 1. This is called the property of 1. Okay. Now the second law is a dot 1 is equal to a. Okay. Now here the output will depend upon the value of a. Okay. Suppose I am taking 0 dot 1. So 0 dot 1 means from multiplying by 0, so you will get the 0. What output we are receiving? The value which I have taken as a, the same output I am coming. Suppose I have taken the 0, so 0 output is coming. Now I am changing my value 1 dot 1. So 1 dot 1 is multiplying and the produces 1. So here I am getting 1 because I have taken the value of a is 1, or here I am getting 0 because the value of taken I have 0. So whatever the value I will take, the same output we will receive. So here the output will depend upon the value of a, but here whatever the value of a, the answer will be confirmed 1. Okay, now you can see a plus 1 is equal to 1, or 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, or 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, no problem. So by taking or by putting the values of 0 and 1, you can check. Okay, so this point is clear to everyone. Just a moment, I'm just erasing. Okay, now my second law is absorption law. Okay, absorption law. I'm just copying this absorption law. Okay, third law is absorption law. Okay, now what about the absorption law? Just a moment. Absorption law means P or Q कोई भी हम variable ले सकते हैं. Suppose A plus AB is equal to A. This variable can be of any, no problem. Suppose somewhere you can see P plus PQ is equal to P, no problem. Same thing I have written. Okay, now how to prove this law? Basically, LHS should be equal to RHS for the proof. Okay, so 1 second, we can see that the A is here and A is also here. So what we can do, we can take a common. We can take the common. So I'm taking the A as common. So if I have taken the A as common, so no variable is pending over here. So I can take 1 plus. So A is already I've taken the common. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास B बचेगा. Okay, 1 second. And in the right hand side we have the A, and we have to equate the left hand side to right hand side. Okay, now please remember the property of 1. Okay, 1 plus B, anything added with a 1 will produce 1. Okay, we have just before 1 or 2 minutes back we have seen A plus 1 is equal to 1. This is basically the property of 1, and that property of 1 we can apply it over here. Okay, by proving. So 1A dot 1 plus B is equal to 1 and is equal to right hand side I have taken A. Now we can say A dot 1, again the property of 1 with the multiplied. So A dot 1 is equal to 1 second A, and is equal to R is also A. No problem. No problem. Understand? It is already proved. A is equal to A. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. No problem. Okay. Understand? Okay. So this is the one law or one proof of absorption law. Okay. Fine. No problem. Okay. Okay. The same law I can prove by the truth table. Just a moment. 1 minute. Suppose A is there, B is there, and one more combination is AB. I'm just making the truth table. And after that, I have to take one more combinations, A plus AB. All right. By the truth table, I'm proving. Okay, 1 second. So what will be the possible values of A? 0, 0, 1, 1. Understand? Now what will the possible values of B? 0, 1, 0, 1. No problem. What we are doing in this column, A multiplied B. So 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. 1 multiplied 0 is 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. And 1 multiplied 1 is 1. No problem. Just a moment. Now in this column, AB will be plus. AB will be plus with A. So this column will be added with this column. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 according to the Boolean, you will get 1. Now, you have to compare the two things. The truth values of this column means A plus AB is exactly the same with A. Here I'm getting 0, 0, 1, 1. Here I'm getting 0, 0, 1, 1. So this entire section of the left hand side is equal to the A. Means A plus AB, that means this left section is exactly equal to A. You can say that. So by the truth table, the absorption law is proved. Okay, understand? We have the second variations also have the absorption law. Just a moment. Just a moment. I'm just clearing this. Okay. So what about the second category? P dot P plus Q is equal to P. Okay. In this variation, one law will be used that is called the distributive law. I will explain distributive law a little bit later, but I'm just using, okay, in a very simple manner. So what exactly the distributive law? Suppose this is the dot sign, this is the plus sign. So if P is outside, for proving I'm just using. So according to the distribution law, this P will be multiplied with this and the same P will be multiplied with this also, with the plus sign. So what we can write? P dot P is PP plus P dot Q, okay, is equal to P. Understand? Now, if there are two P's, so we can write down one P. Okay. If you don't understand this absorption law, you please don't worry about that. After completing all the laws, then you will be better understand. Because in this, some preceding laws are using, कुछ आगे के law इसमें use हो रहे हैं. Understand? So just a moment. So P dot P, this is basically the idempotence law. P dot P is equal to P dot PQ, 1 minute, is equal to P. So what we can do over here, we can take the common P, no problem. I'm just taking the common. So here I've taken the common, so 1 plus Q and is equal to P. Let me do one thing. Okay, 1 minute. Just a moment. Okay, so 1 plus Q, in the brackets 1 plus Q. So 1 plus Q can be resolved by 1 because it is a property of 1. So P dot 1 is equal to P. Understand? So now LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. This is basically the second variation of the absorption law. You don't worry about that. If it is not clear, you just wait for a few minutes, then it will be 100% clear. Okay. So this is the basically absorption law. Okay. I'm just clearing this and I'm just moving to the another law, involution law. Okay. Involution law is easy law. Okay. I'm just copying and pasting over here. Okay. Involution law. According to the involution law, suppose in any situation, by any variable or by any expression, continuously 2 bars are coming. So bar to bar will be cancelled. अगर किसी expression पर या किसी variable पे 2 bars आ रहे, तो bar to bar will be cancelled and it will be produce a single A. Okay, understand? So we can understand by the truth table in a better way. Okay, suppose a single variable truth table I have to create. 1 second. 1 minute. Okay, so A bar, I'm just taking the A bar. 1 minute. So 0, 1, because a single variable can occupy the two values 0 or 1 according to the law, according to the rule. So A bar means the complement of the A. Here the A is 0, so the zero's complement will be 1. Inverse. Here the A is 1, so 1's complement will be definitely 0. Now I'm taking the one more additional column A double bar. A double bar means A bar's complement, A bar का complement. तो A bar का complement means इस column का complement. तो 1 का complement हो जाएगा 0 और 0 का complement हो जाएगा 1. Now you just see this column values and this column values are absolutely same. Understand? So A double bar can be written like simple A. So bar to bar will be cancelled according to the involution law. Okay, not only a single variable. Suppose some expression is written like that, and here 2 bars. This expression can be simply, it can be simply written like that. इस expression को आप कुछ इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. दोनों में कोई फर्क नहीं है. बार से बार कैंसिल होकर के एक्सप्रेशन को इस तरह से लिखा जा सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज बेसिकली अ इन्वोल्यूशन लॉ. ओके, understand? So this is clear to everyone. So I'm just moving to the next law, that is called the idempotence law. Okay, it is all about the pronunciation. Some people say the idempotence, some people say idempotence. No problem. Okay, so I'm just copying the idempotence law. Copying. Okay, 1 minute. Here I'm just pasting. Okay, idempotence law. So according to the idempotence law, if any variable is continuously repeating, any variable is or any expression is continuously repeating along with a plus sign or a minus sign, along with a plus sign or a dot sign, that will be reduced and will produce a singleton. 1 second. अगर कोई एक variable, just a moment. Suppose the original law is A plus A. 2 times the same variable I have written. 2 बार हमने एक ही वेरिएबल को लिखा प्लस साइन के साथ. सो A plus A is equal to A. Understand? A dot A will be A. Understand? This is basically the law. If any variable is continuously repeating with the plus sign or with the dot sign, so after reduction according to this law, you can get or you can write a single entry of that variable. So just a moment, we'll see by the truth table. 1 second. So A and one more A we have to take because A plus A is there, and here I'm writing A plus A. Understand? By the proof, proving के लिए. By the truth table I am proving. Okay, see. So what value I can take? 0 or 1, because single variable can contain only the 2 values. Similarly, this is also a single variable and we can contain the 2 variables. So 0 plus 0 will be 0 according to the additions of truth table, and 1 plus 1 will be 1. Now you can say that A plus A is exactly same as A. All right. So this is basically the law, idempotency law. Similarly, we can test by taking the 0 dot 0 will be 0 and 1 dot 1 will be 1. No problem. So whatever I am taking the values in the multiple times, that single entry can be written like that. Understand one thing? Just a moment. Okay. Suppose some expression is written like that. A plus A plus A plus A multiple times plus A. 5 times I have written the A with the plus sign. Now after eliminating or reducing by the idempotency law, you can write a single A. That the complete series will be equal to A. Understand? Now, same thing we can do with the multiplication sign. A dot A dot A will be equal to a single A. All right. This is called the idempotency law. Okay. This law is written to everyone. Okay. Hope you understand. The second law is the complement law or complementarity law. The sixth number, complement law or complementarity law. Okay. No problem. We will see. Just I'm copying the name of this. Okay. Okay. Control deleting. And 1 minute, I'm just writing. Okay, complement law. So according to the complement law, A plus A bar, अगर A के साथ एडिशन में उसी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ जाए तो it will be equal to 1. We will see. Okay, I will prove it. A dot अगर A के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में उसी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ जाए, so it will be equal to 0. Understand? So one by one we can prove by the truth table. Okay, we have the truth table concept. So A or A complement, understand? And basically I'm writing A plus A bar. 1 second. Okay, now just A is 0, single variable can contain the two values 1, and the zeros complement will be 1, and 1 complement will become 0. So here what we are doing, A plus A bar means 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, or 1 plus 0 is 1. So in every case you are getting 1. Either I am taking the 0 or 1. Apart from that, we cannot take any other value because single variable can contain only एक variable एक समय में केवल दो ही values को ले सकता है. Okay. Now the second law is A dot A bar is equal to 0. No problem. No problem. Here I am just writing A bar, and after that I am just writing A dot A bar. No problem. You will be understand 0, 1. So 0 will become 1 in the complement and 1 will become 0 in a complement. So 0 dot 1. Okay, 0 and 1 dot 0 is 0. So here in both the case I am getting 0. So this is basically the proof or conclusion of the second complement law, and this is the conclusion of the first complement law. Hope you understand the complement law clearly. So A plus A bar, whenever this A plus A bar is coming in any Boolean expression, you can confidently write in that position 1. If in any situation A dot A bar is coming, कहीं पर अगर आ रहा है तो आप confidently 0 लिख सकते हैं. Understand? In terms of reducing the expression, we have to apply all these law. Okay. Complement or complementarity law is completed. Commutative law is very easy. commutative law. I'm just clearing this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, the commutative law. So according to the commutative law, A plus B can be written as B plus A. A dot B can be written as B dot A. No problem. A plus B can be written B plus A. It's a very simple law, no need of explanation. Or the second category is A dot B is equal to B dot A. We can think like that. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 are the same thing. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 are the same thing. Okay, no problem. I'm just interchanging the position. So no problem. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 0. It will be absolutely same. Or here 1 dot 0 is equal to 0 dot 1. You will get the same answer. Or we can change the combination. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. Both the values I can take 1. One more combination can take 1 plus 0. Second. Or here 0 plus 1. In all the position or in all the stages you will get the same answer. So it is also proved commutative law. Okay, fine. So this is also proved. Just a moment. After that, associative law. Okay, associative law is also not a very tough law. Just a moment. I'm just selecting and clearing, deleting. Okay, 1 minute. So what is the next law? Just minimizing it. Associative law. I'm just copying it. And here I'm pasting associative law. Okay, so according to the associative law, 1 minute. Suppose P plus Q is written in a bracket and plus R is outside. P plus Q plus R. It can be written like that. P plus Q plus R. Understand? All the terms are in plus. So no problem. Okay, don't worry. Either we add P plus Q and the result we will get after the P plus Q will add with the R. Okay, in this manner we can do the calculation. The another way is that Q plus R will be calculated first and the answer of the Q plus R will be added with the P. No problem. In both the way, you will get the same answer. Either you add P plus Q first or you add Q plus R first. It doesn't matter. You can test by putting the condition, but I don't think so it is required, but I'm just taking 0 plus 1 or plus 1. What answer we will get? 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Okay, understand? Here I'm taking the P, that is 0 plus what value of taken the Q? Q have taken 1. And R is also have taken the 1. So 1 plus 1 is 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Understand? Now you can see that the LHS and RHS are same thing. So it can be this line. Basically this is a Q. So this line or this statement can be written like that. No problem. One more variation is there. I'm just covering all the law. So the second variation of the associative law is multiplying. So P dot Q first, this is a bracket, then dot with R, or either we can P dot Q dot R, same thing. Either we multiplied by P dot Q first, then multiplied with R, or we can multiply Q dot R, then multiplied with P. Same thing, no problem. Okay, hope you understand this. So I'm just changing. Okay, what about the second after the associative law, distributive law? Okay, it is a very important law. Distributive law and De Morgan law both are very important. So just a moment. Distributive law. According to the distributive law, because we have applied this law in absorption law. Okay, hope you remember that. So just a moment. Okay. A plus sign is outside in the bracket B dot C. This is basically the law. Is equal to, distributive law is equal to A plus B dot A plus C. Okay. So कहीं पर किसी जगह पर एक्सप्रेशन में अगर ऐसा लिखा है तो आप ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, और अगर ऐसा लिखा है राइट हैंड साइड तो यू कैन राइट डाउन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ओवर हियर, you have to understand. Just a moment. Distribution means equal distribution. Suppose these are the two things. Okay, this is the one thing and it should be distributed to B and C. So A will be add with the B, A will be add with the B first, and then same A will be add with the C. Okay, so what will happen? A plus B, one second, I just want to write A plus B, understand, and dot, and A plus C. Okay, the same A will be distributed equally with B and C. So A plus C. Understand? No problem. And you can see that the same thing I have written in the right hand side. Okay, now vice versa we can prove. So A plus B and A plus C, here we can see that the A is common in both sides. So I've just taken A as common. So what I will get in is common I've taken. Okay, and then I have to write down the plus sign and the B dot A is already taken C. Understand? Okay. Okay, just look at here. A plus B dot A. Similarly, we can do one more modification with this. Just a moment. A plus tha. Okay, 1 minute. So A dot and inside B plus C, it will be equal to AB plus AC. No problem. How? How it is possible? Same procedure. A will be multiplied by B. After the plus sign, A will be multiplied by C because the multiplied sign is outside. So A dot is outside. So A dot B plus this plus sign I'm writing over here, and A dot C. Understand? So LHS is equal to the RHS. So distributive law is again proved. Understand? So after the distributive law, De Morgan law. It's again a very important law. So I'm just selecting and removing. Okay. 1 minute. The 10th number law is De Morgan's law. Copying and pasting over here. De Morgan law. Okay, 1 minute. A plus B whole bar somewhere is written. So it can be breakdown and can be written like that. A bar, ये जो बड़ा bar है, this big bar will be splitted and will come on the individual variable, and this plus sign will be changed by dot and B bar. Okay, it is difficult to accept for all the students, but I will prove it. A dot B whole bar is there, so we can write down A bar plus B bar. Both the law of the De Morgan law I will prove by the truth table. You just wait and watch. Just a moment. So first of all, I am proving this law. Okay, no problem. So I have to draw a truth table. Okay. So just a moment. Two variables are there. Okay, 1 minute. So initially I have to start with A, and after that we have to take a B. Here the AB whole complement. Okay, AB. So first of all, okay, wait. I just want to explain in a very easy manner. So first I'm taking the complement. So A bar I am taking because we have to write down all the possible combinations which is present in this expression. इस expression में जितने भी combination present है सबको हमें लिखना है. So B bar is there. Okay, sequence is not important, but we have to write down all. So now A plus B whole complement. So first of all, we have to write down A plus B. Then after that, we can write down A plus B whole bar. Then LHS will be completed. Our LHS will be completed. हमारा LHS पूरा हो गया. Now what about the RHS? A bar dot B bar. A bar B bar individually we have. हमारे पास है, but A bar dot B bar we don't have. So just a moment. A bar dot B. Understand? So these two terms are very important. Means AB, A plus B whole bar and A bar dot B bar. These two terms are very important in this truth table. Now just a moment. Okay. Now if we talk about the AB, so 0, 0, 1, 1 will be the combination of the two variables. Okay, because there are the two variables, total combination will be 4. 4 combinations honge. I'm just extending this line. Okay. And after that, in a truth table, B is there. Okay. So 0, 1, 0, 1. I have uploaded one video related to the truth table in my channel. You can watch that video if you are feeling some problem to understand this truth table concept. Okay, it's a very easy concept I have explained over there. So 0 का complement क्या हो जाएगा? Here I am writing A complement. So 0 का complement 1 हो जाएगा. और 0 का complement again we have to write down 1. 1 complement 0. 1 complement 0. Now what about the B's complement? So B is 0. Presently B is 0. So we have to write down 1. 1's complement will be 0. 0's complement will be 1. and one complement will become 0. Complement means just inverse, opposite. Now here we are doing A plus B, means these two columns we have to add. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 0 and 1 plus 1. Understand? Now here A plus B whole complement. So 0's complement 1. 1 complement, 1 complement, 1 complement. What we are doing in the last column, A bar multiplying with B bar, means these two columns are multiplying with each other. Okay, no problem. So 1.1, 1.0, 0.1, 0.0, 0. Now the most important thing you have to observe, how these things are proved when the LHS is equal to RHS, when the values of the LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the LHS. This is basically LHS. And this is RHS. So this, the truth values of LHS is equal to the truth values of RHS. So that means it is proved by the truth table. Similarly, I don't think you will face any problem to prove this formula. Just change the terms, then you will get the answer of this expression also. Okay. So this is sufficient for this lecture, and two laws, conditional eliminations and biconditional elimination, I will cover separately. Okay, I will cover these 2 points separately, these 2 laws separately. You don't worry, in the upcoming videos you will definitely watch. So this is all about today's lecture. So you just subscribe my channel, okay, and stay connected with me for the other wonderful videos of the Boolean algebra. Okay, fine. So I'm just ending this lecture. You just keep on practicing on all the laws. Okay.